Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Double fertilization is, and the options are A. Fusion of two male gametes of a pollen tube with two different eggs. B option is fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei. Third option is fusion of male gametes with an egg. And the fourth option is syngamy and triple fusion. So double fertilization. So what happens in case of angiosperms? There is an embryo sac. It means the female gametophyte where female gamete is present. It consists of 7 cells and 8 nuclei. So these two are the synergids. This one is female gamete or the egg cell. These three at the chalazial end are the antipodals or the antipodal cells, and one cell at the center is the central cell, and this cell is binucleate as it is having two nuclei which are called polar nuclei. So these are polar nuclei. So this is the structure of female gametophyte or embryo sac of a flowering plant. Okay. Now what happens after pollination? Pollen grains germinate on stigma and a pollen tube is formed, and each pollen tube here carries two male gametes. So this is pollen tube and it is having two male gametes. Now what happens that these male gametes are discharged into synergid. Now out of these, one male gamete fuses with one female gamete and it forms a diploid structure, as these both are haploid cells. So these will form a diploid structure known as zygote, and this act of fusion of one male gamete with one female gamete is called syngamy. Now as there are two male gametes, so what happens with other male gamete? So one male gamete fuses with this and this forms zygote. Now the second male gamete fuses with two polar nuclei which are present in the central cell. So it will fuse with two polar nuclei. These all are haploid. So male gamete is haploid, polar nuclei are also haploid. So we will write it as n plus n. Now these three nuclei fuse together to form a triploid structure which is called PEN or primary endosperm nucleus, and this act of fusion of three nuclei together, it is called triple fusion. So as these two fertilizations are occurring in the same embryo sac, so this event of one syngamy and one triple fusion is called double fertilization. So syngamy plus triple fusion is equal to double fertilization, and it is a unique event. In case of angiosperms, no other plant exhibit double fertilization, so it is a unique event. So now let's see the options here. So fusion of two male gametes of a pollen tube with two different eggs. No, only one egg is present in an embryo sac. So this statement is incorrect. Now second statement is fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei. So it is only the triple fusion, not the double fertilization. So it is triple fusion only. We cannot call it as double fertilization. And third one is fusion of two male gametes with one egg. This doesn't happen. Fourth option is syngamy and triple fusion. So I told you one act of syngamy and one act of triple fusion. Together they are known as double fertilization. So option D is the right answer of this question. All the best, bachcho.